For less than $10, you can make a 1-meter Christmas tree. You only need a plastic office basket. Mine has a capacity of about 10 liters. Mine cost $5. It's important that it expands upwards. Also, prepare 6 wooden sticks. Each of them costs $1 and can be bought at a construction supermarket. They should be about 100 centimeters long. Turn the basket upside down. Attach the sticks to it using hot glue, making sure they are evenly spaced. If the basket has a rim, you can insert the ends of the sticks into it. When you glue them all, they should converge upwards to create a teepee shape. Connect them at the very top with hot glue. Prepare 3 Christmas chains. Dense and thick ones work best. I chose silver ones. I already had them at home from previous years. Starting from the base of the tree, begin to wrap them around, gluing them with hot glue to prevent them from sliding on the sticks. Wrap carefully, adding more chains. It's important not to leave any gaps. When the sticks are fully wrapped, a tree will be formed, but it's not the end. Attach a star ornament to the top. Take several Christmas baubles in different sizes. Attach them to the tree using hot glue at irregular intervals and heights. And there you have it. Making such a tree is childishly simple. Additionally, it costs next to nothing. It's almost a meter tall and beautifully decorates the house. The chains reflect the light beautifully. A simple trick to create a festive fireplace. Kids love it, and it will neatly complement your living room when made this way. Prepare 5 cardboard boxes. 2 boxes should be of the same size, serving as the sides of the fireplace. Use a flat cardboard as the base. Place 2 identical boxes on it. Insert a small box between them to serve as the firebox. Place another flat cardboard on top. This will be the fireplace mantle. Securely glue the cardboard pieces together using adhesive tape. All parts should be connected. Cover the fireplace with wallpaper. Cut each side from the wallpaper. I bought mine at a hardware store, opting for a self-adhesive white brick imitation on paper. Attach the first side of the fireplace. Smooth the veneer with your hand. Then, attach it to the front of the firebox, the base, and the sides. The wallpaper with a 3-dimensional texture will effectively hide unevenness and mistakes. Use marble-patterned foil to cover the top part of the fireplace. Measure a piece of the appropriate size and stick it on. Trim the corners with scissors so that they can be folded flat. Then attach a longitudinal piece to the front of the base. Line the firebox with black paper. Prepare a piece of cardboard with black construction paper and place it behind the Christmas tree. This will create the impression that the fireplace has a firebox and chimney. Take several sticks and tie them together with a rubber band or string to create a stack. Place it inside the fireplace. Next, prepare battery-powered LED candles. I chose 2 yellow ones and 1 red. Place them under the stack on the firebox. Finally, decorate the fireplace with Christmas ornaments. Hang a stocking for presents. This kind of fireplace looks beautiful, and kids love playing around it. It brings a festive atmosphere to your home at a minimal cost. What do you think? Would you place such a fireplace in your living room for Christmas? Beautiful Christmas decoration made from cups. It became a sensation on the internet, and kids love it. Prepare 500 white plastic cups, the regular disposable ones, and a stapler. With them, you can create a lovely snowman. Arrange the cups in a circle. Staple them together tightly so that they fit snugly against each other. Then arrange another layer on top of them. Staple the cups to the bottom layer and to the cup next to them. Repeat until you form a hemisphere. Repeat the process. When you have 2 similar hemispheres, connect them using the stapler. This will be the bottom of our snowman. Next, repeat the process, creating a smaller sphere. When it's ready, place one sphere on top of the other. Connect them using staples or hot glue. Make a cone from an orange sheet of paper. Cut out 5 circles from a black sheet. Attach white dots to 2 of them. Cut out a hat for the snowman from cardboard. Take a red scarf and tie it at the junction of the 2 spheres. Insert a nose into 1 cup. Attach eyes and buttons using hot glue. Finally, put the hat on the snowman's head, and it's ready. Such a cute snowman will delight the eye throughout the Christmas. Whether it's snowing outside or not, just add lights to make it beautifully decorate the room after dark. Kids love this decoration. It's adorable. Place it on the windowsill. Water and condensation won't settle on the window panes. This adorable ornament will help eliminate moisture. It looks absolutely charming. Grab a white sock and turn it inside out. Trim the end with scissors. Tie the sock's end using thread. Make a couple of knots to make sure it stays put. Turn the sock right side out. Get some white rice ready. Pour it into the sock. Rice is an excellent moisture absorber. Additionally, it tackles unpleasant odors. Once the sock is filled, tie the top with thread. Then, shape it into 2 balls, holding it in the middle with your hand. The upper ball should be smaller than the one at the bottom. Take some thread and tie it in the middle. Take a long piece of red fabric and tie it in the middle. This will be a small scarf. Take a colorful sock and cut a piece off. Place it on top of the sock to create a little hat. Prepare some black and red pins. Attach the red pin in the middle and 2 black ones on the sides to form eyes and a nose. Insert 3 black pins into the bottom ball. They'll look like buttons. This charming sock snowman will make a delightful holiday decoration. Creating it is as easy as child's play, and kids absolutely love it. Plus, just place it on the windowsill to solve any window-related issues. In winter, windows often collect water, leading to mold. The rice inside the snowman effectively absorbs excess moisture around the window. No one will guess that this ornament has such a practical purpose. This festive snowman is a moisture absorber that looks beautiful and costs next to nothing. This trick he uses in his home every winter. All you need is citrus, cloves, and a candle. The effect is brilliant. Cut off the top of an orange, approximately 1/3 of the height. Cut the base from the larger part of the fruit so that it can stand steadily. Use a knife to hollow out the center. Next, take a piece of a candle and insert it into the previously prepared hole, as I am doing in the video. Take cloves and insert them evenly around the candle. Prepare 2 wooden toothpicks. Insert them on opposite sides. They should be taller than the candle. On their tops, insert the previously cut end. Ignite the prepared candle. After a few seconds, a pleasant scent of citrus and cloves begins to fill the house. This is a natural version of an air freshener, completely biodegradable. It is particularly done during the holiday season. You can use tangerines, lemons, limes, and oranges to make them.